Here at BMW of Lafayette, we use only original equipment from the BMW Parts Department. I'm Brent Lanier, I'm the shop foreman here, and I'm going to show you why. Hey Carl, can I get a 129 filter for this car? There you go.
Thank you.
Now, oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Proper oil pressure is required to lubricate the internal moving parts of your engine. To ensure that it has a long life, we need to make sure that we're using OEM parts. Now, a new oil filter from the BMW Parts Department, when compared to one that's been in the vehicle for 7,000 to 10,000 miles, you can see that they're pretty comparable. Definitely discolored, but that's what the oil filter is made for. Now, an aftermarket filter, you can see, even an untrained eye can tell that there's some collapsing in the middle. You can see how the material is definitely of a lower quality. And this is a potential restriction. Any sort of restriction in the oiling circuit could cause irreparable damage to your engine. Here at BMW of Lafayette, our factory trained technicians only use BMW OEM parts for your oil services, your filters, and all of the repairs for your vehicle. So come and see us here at 178 Sagamore Parkway South in Lafayette, Indiana.